What's up, my beautiful people? How you guys doing? Today is Sunday. Nice Sunday, nice beautiful Sunday. You see how the sun hot out there? Watch out there. Nice weather. But anyway, guys, guess what we're going to cook today?
We're going to cook some cookup rice and chicken and some fried banga and fried shark. Good food today on a Sunday.
Sunday fun day. Cook up rice, fried fish, fried Bangamary, and we get a shark come from all the way from Guyana. You don't know. So here is all the ingredients and stuff what the wifey done prepare for the cook up rice. As you guys can see, all the stuff here. We got the beans and chana. Can't go wrong. I can't cook without the green seasoning, you know. You gotta get that.
And don't forget the coconut milk.
And the most of all, the coconut milk. As you guys can see, wifey done got all the ingredients ready. So
while he's gonna go and clean the fish and cut up the chicken and everything,
yeah,
I'm gonna cut up the greens.
So I got the Bangamary over here. See this? You got all size, man. You got crunchy one, you got big one, you got XL, you got double XL. How more you got? Actually, you got triple XL. I don't think this. See? So this here done clean already. You know, we only gotta wash it up and get it ready for seasoning, fry. And over here we got the chicken, but the chicken gotta cut up, but it's still hard a little bit, but that's why we unsoak it. So we gotta cut the chicken up, and we got the shark. Achi. The shark come all the way from Guyana. Yep. So we're gonna fry this bad boy today. That's a long time. It has been a long time when I eat shark. So the meat and stuff done clean up, you know. Watch it out. Watch how shine this thing look. We can eat them just so. The fish. We got a little bit shark over here, not too much. But these two got a seasoning up still. But I just finished cleaning up. The wifey done cut up the seasoning and stuff over here. Almost. Got the spinach, this. Got the pot over here with everything.
I don't wash the rice. I have the rice in here, all the beans, chana, black beans, white beans, onion, shallow pepper,
Ketchup.
no ketchup. I get carrot now cut in. I have to get the cook-up season. The spinach have to wash, then the season have to add. The okra gonna add last.
Okra.
Yeah.
So we about to go hit the stove. So guys, we got the goodness on the stove there. Look, turn on the stove. Now we got boil up. Over here we got the little oil in the pot. We gotta fry up this. See this goodness here? Ooh. Man, me a drool already. Me done a drool already, people. But anyway, yeah, we got the stuff going up. And watch this. Ta-da! We got the little shark. Watch that. Ooh, done seasoning up. This is the banga. Done seasoning up. So guys, we got the chicken in here. This is the chicken for the cookup rice, right? So we know we fry it up first with some nice seasoning, as you can see. Then when it's done, you're gonna be in there. You gotta make love in there. So this will fry up here. All right. Adjust, guys. I watch how when I again you want phone case, you know.
I just love packages.
Yeah, new one case. And then she go chow the whole case.
I want to throw this away for the keep it
In case what?
In case you probably want it or
Me want you will give me all the junk?
just shut up.
Oh.
Don't bother me. This guy just bothering me all the time. You're my last nerve.
Oh, how many nerve we got?
20.
Oh.
I'm gonna leave it right in here.
So that when I again you want phone case in.
Oh good.
So guys, I just throw the chicken in here. Now they're gonna make love in the pot now.
Alright guys, I just add the pepper and the okra. And look at this guys. It's a nice hot cook-up rice on a Sunday. And relax. You know when you eat cook-up rice, right? You want to sleep? Or you feel lazy? That's what I'm says. Bubble.
Moment of truth, watch it.
Cook-up done.
Cook-up rice done there. So guys, as you see the cook-up rice done. Ready to eat. Now we got the fish done seasoning. Got the flour. We got the oil hot in over here. So yeah. Beautiful Sunday. Hot one hot pot cook-up rice. And some fried fish on top. Can't go wrong, right? Alright guys. Stay tuned. So guys, we got the fish there going. Mia fry the fish.
Excuse you?
I didn't see Mia fry the fish.
Yo! I don't let me back.
Watch. Mia put all the flour and she and just got put in the thing. Me fry all the fish.
Why don't you just carry your ass?
What is that? Ross?
Eh.
Oh, when it shit, my hair spoil up. I gotta look nice to this camera.
Eh.
What's that, people? Woo-wee! As you guys can see, watch, our next batch going in, and this batch just finished here. Like, did like that, man? See that? Time for taste.
What are we doing? You need one piece of fish and yellow? How is it?
The fish eat massive. Let me try next piece to make sure. This fish hot. As soon as it comes with the pot, they go in my mouth. It's not the person who fried the fish, it's the person who's seasoning the fish. That's me.
Well, thank you. Everybody cooks different, guys. Like I said in all my cooking videos, everybody cooks different.
We got the Cromwell family just pull up.
Look, he call up short body.
My always like and wear shocking color there. Good afternoon, good afternoon.
It's sizzling there, boy.
Huh?
It's sizzling there.
Smell good, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good.
It's sizzling there.
What happened there, Lenny?
Tin.
You alright? Yeah. I like we think fog up there, man.
No.
What happened, Vani?
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay. Hi. What
Yes.
happened, GT family? Yeah,
Not
good?
much, yes.
Okay.
The GT. How it is there?
Fresh and nice. Banga, right?
Yeah.
Good, man. Good.
Try this way. How you walk?
Good, man.
You walk good?
Yeah, man.
Alright. So me pass it as there.
Yeah, man.
Alright, because of me I see you.
Yeah, give mom, Lena.
Alright, here. You got some. The banga just finished frying. That's just it. That's just goodness. Now we got the. Oh, we got them going.
I'm going to fry the shark.
The shark, them a thing with a bite on people in a movie. We did a lot of bite here up here now. See that? Ooh. So guys, we got the shark on there. Frying up. I ever watched the movie when a shark a bite of people. Guess what?
Yeah, this couple piece of shark here is for my husband. I don't eat shark, guys.
Me, I'm gonna bite them back on fire. I ain't fight them. So guys, watch it. We got the shark in the plate. Got the wife here cut up some goodies over there. How are we cutting up?
Tomato. I already cut up some cucumbers.
When
I'm gonna prepare a plate of food for him.
when I eat cookup rice, I gotta get all this thing. Fried fish on the side, cucumber, tomato. Watch, let me taste my shark.
When he's
Me feel like me the Guyana rum shop.
oh my god, when you're eating shark, I'm like, ew. I don't like shark.
Then say shark I eat people.
No wonder your skin are so stiff.
People that eat shark though. Why is that, guys? Who like shark? I comment below there. But anyway, the shark is good. I'll try next piece. Oh, that bone. Let me tell you how good this thing tastes. Look good. Thing tastes good. Nice. Lele. Yeah, we'll run now.
Then I go fix the car then. Mr. Cromwell, come with boots on your foot, right? And look, you go back with it in your hands.
The boots was on my feet and now in my hand. I got a corona in my
Yeah,
hand.
and he's shocking color. Nobody can miss him, man.
Like crazy scientist. Keep moving.
Where's the light? Alright.
Bye, Mamba.
Alright then, see ya.
Alright then, bye-bye.
Bring your food?
Tata.
The food, buddy.
Vani gonna get the food.
Nobody don't remember the food, you know.
No.
How them a do takeout like that, man?
You see me again, nah? I must be fed up, see me. I ain't not fed up, see me, nah? I like see me. But anyways, we just finished cooking the cookup rice. My uncle and our aunt and cousin and stuff just came over. You know, they had the food. They say it was massive. Tastes good. Everything, you know. Anyway, so now wifey prepare the food good and nice. I want to see this. I don't want to see this because if you guys want to see this, I go dribble. I go drool. But anyway, let me show you though. Watch it. Oh, what is gal done to eat already?
I prepare his food and I end up eating his food. But guys, his cook up was good.
What you say, guys? Watch. Ooh, fried fish, cookup rice, cucumber, tomato.
Tomato.
And where the pepper sauce there?
I did not put pepper sauce.
Oh.
I have
Anyway,
pepper.
guys, watch. This food look nice. Let me tell you, nice. Me a dribble here now. And watch what we got here. Hey. So, we got a shark here, right? Them say, when I go, what the shop name again? Me can't remember the shop. But when we go to the shop, them people bring out the cutters. I call this cutters. I will just squeeze the lime. We can smell the lime already, boy. Right? I got the pepper sauce, as you guys can see. But listen, one thing missing.
What is that?
Can't go out with fried shark with pepper sauce and lime with a cold Corona.
Yoga people, wine, cold drink, and eat them shark too.
Guys, watch this. What you say? Pepper,
I'm eating out your food, babe.
ketchup. Yeah, you ain't gonna eat them. Me, I gonna eat this. Watch it. Minnesota cheese.
Minnesota cheers. What's that? What that mean?
Me don't know, me just say. But hey, as my uncle said, how can life get better than this? Life can't get better than this. Cook your fresh food, you eat them. Corona coming in.
Nothing beat Guyanese food, huh?
Man.
Your homemade food. And like I said, everybody cooks different.
Listen, guys. Me eat fire, right? Mama, you don't want to be sharp? Here's this.
How's
Tell
it,
them how you
baby?
eat.
How's it?
Show it thumbs up. Eat good?
Check your shirt out.
Show it thumbs up.
Good?
What you want?
He's right behind you.
Come. Come this way now. If this fish eat good, give them a thumbs up, right? If this fish not eat good, give them a thumbs down. Yeah.
How's it, baby?
You don't watch the camera? You shy?
Yeah, mama love you guys.
Oh, how the fish eat? Good? Give me 5. Good. Good job, good job. So guys, I know I all thing a leak, but hey, make it eat for you, né? Yeah. How can life get better than this?
Fresh homemade food.
Homemade
Can't go
food?
wrong there.
Homemade food, you call me name. You want more? What is girl come back for more?
She want more?
So the thing is good then. Come boy.
I'm over here.
See that? Everybody like the shark.
Me fried though.
She fried, but me seasoning it.
We did a good job today. We cooked. I cooked the cookup today, and Haji seasoned up the fish. He cleaned the fish as well. Thanks for you. Thank you for helping me in the kitchen today. Can't get a better husband than this stuff. He's helping me a lot in the kitchen.
How can life get better when a husband like me, eh? Life can't get when a better husband like me.
All right, better husband. That's why I love you so much.
So, as you guys see, we made some cookup rice. The garage, and the mesh. So, as you guys see, we make some cookup rice, some nice cookup rice, wet cookup rice.
Not too dry though.
Some
What?
nice fried Bangamary. And some nice fried shark, which is maybe see this bowl here. But anyway, guys, so hope you guys loved the video. Hope you guys had a beautiful Sunday, you know.
Because they already done.
Yeah, so you guys, that's it for today. So you guys take care.
And for those who are new to our channel, welcome to the family, Lily.
Yeah, so if you guys new, hit that subscribe button.
Like, share, and
Join
comment.
the family, like, share, comment. And I comment and tell me how the thing look about that day.
It tastes good.
Yes, so I will see you guys in our next video. So I'm gonna tell you peace.